Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to see who subscribed to you on your YouTube channel on your mobile. To do that, you have to open your Chrome browser and open your YouTube here. After opening your YouTube, click on this right top corner icon and click on YouTube Studio. Here you can see all the recent subscribers who subscribed to your channel, and if you click on see all, you can see all the subscriber who subscribed you till date will show here, and this is the only appropriate method through which you can see who subscribed to your YouTube channel on your mobile. And also make sure that your browser is in desktop side. To do that, click on these three dots and click on desktop site, and this is how you can see who can subscribe to your channel on your YouTube in mobile. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.